So manufacturing is very important to the Canadian economy. It represents about 13% of our total economic activity, but that really understates the importance of manufacturing as really an anchor of value creation. We don't take into consideration all that often all of the software activity, the technology, the engineering, the IT, the logistics that is accounted for in the services sector, but really is driven by manufacturing. And so when we add all of that together, it's about a third of the economy in Canada, and which is a very, very important part of Canadian economic development. And of course, I think the history of manufacturing in Canada, we've had a long history, closely tied in with the American market. And when Canada and the United States negotiated the free trade agreement back in the early 1990s, what happened in Canada was manufacturers, in order to compete within the North American market, but worldwide, became very specialized. So we have an awful lot of small companies, very highly specialized companies in manufacturing, very highly specialized companies in technology as well. And those are the companies where I see an awful lot of opportunity, especially with new technologies, a lot of opportunities for them to grow and also for them to really continue to contribute value, not only the Canadian economy, but these companies are doing business all around the world. You may not know it, but they're a Canadian company.